Welcome back, lovely people, to another Temu video. In today's video, I'll be showing us some brand items that I was surprised to see on Temu. Like, when I saw them, my first reaction was, wait, these brands are on the Temu app? I was actually really surprised. Now, search with me, let's see the brand items I'm talking about. Now, go to your Temu search bar. Whatever brand you have in mind, just search. You might be lucky to find them on the Temu app, okay? Let's search for this one first. I'll search for a random item from this brand. And you can see it here. Now, you should actually look out for this area that is being marked. Yes. So you can click on it. And you can actually click on the colored part and you will see more items from that brand, okay? That's also another way I search. But overall, whatever it is, I'm surprised. I didn't know I can find this on the Temu app, to be honest. You can see what I am seeing. I'm just really surprised. And of course, do not forget to read your reviews, okay? Very important. Always read reviews. Click on this one. You can see that there are no reviews on this. Wow. Let's search for another brand item. I was actually surprised to see, okay? And we have it available here. Can click on this here, and you see other items. There are other items listed under these brand names. You can just scroll and you see more. Let me show you one that is actually very common, that like I see everywhere on the Temu app. It's very common. Yeah, this brand is definitely very common here. You can go to their store and you can see their range of items, ranging from TV, phones, smartwatch. It's a whole lot. This one is a very popular brand here on the Temu app. Yes. Go ahead, use the Temu app search bar, search for that brand you feel like you might not see on the Temu app. You might be surprised. If you've learned something from this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Bye.